Welcome back, everybody. I'm the Dr. Bob Lee, and our next guest is the Executive Director of Woodlawn Conservancy, and she joins the show to speak about their landscape restoration program and how it is providing a valuable resource for young men and women in our community. So please welcome to the show, Meg Ventrudo. Yes, you know, you're always welcome. You always have something great to give back to our listeners and our viewers. Tell us about this wonderful program that benefits our young men and women.
So Woodlawn Conservancy, in addition to being the preservation arm for the Woodlawn Cemetery, which is a 400-acre property, is also a level 2 arboretum. We have over 6,000 trees and shrubs and over 300 different species of plants on the property. And a lot of the historic mausoleums that we have here at Woodlawn are also have historic planting plans to go with them. So last year we began a landscape restoration program with the goal of training young people ages 18 to 24 in landscape restoration, where they're gaining hands-on experience in the cemetery.
And this is a funded program, right?
It is a funded program. There are many different foundation supporters and the New York City Advance and Earn program that support this project. And it's through the help of these foundations, individual donors, and Advance and Earn that we're able to train 30 young people ages 18 to 24 in landscape restoration.
That's great. And it's a paid thing. You know, they get a chance to make a little bit of money throughout the summer.
Correct.
It's a 10-week program, isn't it?
10-week fall internship. So they're paid for 25 hours a week for 10 weeks, beginning the week right after Labor Day.
Yeah.
And we're currently recruiting. We have some spaces open. So if you go to the Woodlawn website, which is woodlawn.org, all of the information is there. Students still have the opportunity to apply. And we'll be just conducting the program interviews and testing right now. So we do have some time for some young people to still apply.
That's excellent. Tell us about some of the recent summer activities Woodlawn offered to our community.
So Woodlawn, because we're an outdoor venue, we're able to have a lot of outdoor programming, which I think puts people's mind at ease with COVID. We are having some walking tours. There will be a bird watch with the Audubon Society on September 12th. So if anybody gets up really early in the morning and wants to join us on a bird watch, please feel free to do so. We've just had a few jazz performances and jazz tours with our friends at Jazz at Lincoln Center, and that's been a great event. Come Columbus Day weekend, we'll do an Italian heritage tour where our trolley will take you to visit the graves of some of the notable Italian folks that are buried here, like Fiorello LaGuardia. And of course, the fall is a great time to be at Woodlawn, so we'll have some fall foliage tours as well.
Yeah, I think Hal Jackson from Inner City Broadcasting, WBLS, is buried there too. And he has a bench next to his, I think that's where we went when we had his burial.
Well, I'll find out for you, and we'll get you back here to go to the gravesite.
There you go. Okay.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Now, how has COVID or the pandemic affected your ability to work in our community?
Well, I would say that we're very pleased that we were able to conduct both our masonry, actually 3 things. We've had our masonry cohort. We had a cohort of summer youth employment students with us for the summer, learning documentation, cleaning monuments, planting flowers, and we're about to start our second cohort of landscape restoration. So it's taken a little bit of adapting on our part. We've used Zoom a lot for some of the lectures, so the students are receiving their sort of instruction via Zoom, but the field work is still happening, and we're just so great that our young people are able to get some hands-on experience, get some on-the-job experience, have a safe place to come in the summer and be outside with other young people that they may not have met in their own high schools, or maybe they have met from different high schools, and that's been really great.
And you do it both. They have classroom experience, and then you take them out
into the cemetery to do some work. Yeah. And what's really great about the classroom part of it and doing it by Zoom is it allows specialists in historic preservation from anywhere in the country to Zoom in, and the young people are getting the benefits of having that access to the experts. And so, we've had to do some adapting, but so far it's been a great success.
Anything coming up we should send our production crew out to?
Well, of course, there's always our trolley tours that are coming up, and we'd love to get you here on the site and see something, some interesting grave sites here at Woodlawn, and come out for the Italian history tour, or come out birding, or come out for the fall foliage tour and really see the beautiful colors of Woodlawn.
Yeah, we'll send Jimmy out with Stephen and Yasmine.
That would be great. Fantastic.
Our production team, I'm sure they'll be ready to go. If they
That's
can't
great.
make it,
That's great.
we'll try to get someone else. But thank you so much for all of the things that you're doing with our youth and our community. We really, really appreciate that.
Great. Well, we love having them here, and we think it's a great program too. In our last landscape cohort, some of the young people had gone on to jobs with New York Restoration Project, with Randall's Island, with New York Botanic Garden. One young man's working out at a golf course on Long Island. And so there is pathway to some meaningful careers and work right here in New York City. And so we're happy to provide that pipeline and that startup experience, so our young folks can get good jobs, well-paying jobs, and be right here in their community.
Meg, where can we go for more information?
So please visit our website, which is www.woodlawn.org. Of course, we're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram as the Woodlawn Cemetery and Conservancy. And we just hope to see you at Woodlawn. We're open every day, 8:30 to 4:30. The public is welcome to come in and just walk the grounds, view the beautiful architecture that we have here, kind of take a step away from their busy worlds and come into a quiet space every day, 8:30 to 4:30.
There you go. That's as quiet as it's kept.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Meg Ventrudo, Executive Director of Woodlawn Cemetery and Conservancy.
Thank you so much, Bob. It's great to see you again.
Thank you, and see you soon.
Great. See you soon.
All right, we'll take a break. We've got more. Stay right there. Next.